Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to create a OneDrive link now. Sign in with your Microsoft account and open OneDrive. Once logged in, upload or navigate to the file or folder you intend to share so it's in your cloud space. Next, right-click that item or select the three dots and choose Share to open the sharing panel. This first step moves you from setup to action. You're initiating link creation rather than just preparing files, so focus on selecting the correct item before adjusting permissions. Once the sharing panel opens, decide who can use the link and why. Choose anyone for public access, people in your organization for internal sharing, specific people for restricted access, or people with existing access to reuse permissions. Make sure to toggle Edit if you want collaborators to change files, or uncheck it for a view-only link. You can add expiration dates or a password for extra control. After configuring, click Apply. Then copy link or enter email addresses to send the link direct. Now paste the copied link into your email or chat and tell recipients to try it. Verifying access immediately prevents follow-up delays. If you need to change or revoke access later, select the item, open Manage Access, and adjust or remove links and permissions. Once done, make sure recipients sign in if required and clear caches if they see old behavior. If the link fails, check that you assign the correct permission type and that the recipient matches the allowed list. Regenerate and resend the link if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.